Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure metal walls are allowed and you have the materials. Gather metal resources, equip your build tool, and set a quick keybind for wall placement. Then move to a safe spot and orient your camera toward the intended wall plane. This ensures snap alignment. Once done, practice 1 or 2 quick taps to place the first metal panel. Don't hold the button. This first placement establishes hitbox and momentum for following panels. Now you build the chain of metal walls. Use a staggered tap rhythm, a short tap to place, then a quick follow-up to lock the next panel into the snap grid. Anchor to a nearby corner or floor edge so each panel shares consistent snap points. This reduces misplacements. Keep your crosshair on the same vertical and horizontal reference. Small camera drift breaks the chain. If you need speed, alternate hands on bind keys, but prioritize accuracy over rushing. Finish by overlapping the final panel by about half a grid unit to close seams and avoid gaps. Make sure the edge lines up cleanly. Once finished, reinforce with a second layer or braces if the rules permit, which increases durability. If a panel fails to place, stop and reset. Back up one good panel, re-anchor your camera, and rebuild from that point. This troubleshooting step prevents compounding errors and saves materials. So always rebuild.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.